what's up you guys? So here I am today. I'm pretty excited because this is going to be a unboxing. So like I alluded to in my last video, so I just upgraded my computer today, so I'm pretty excited because I've been thinking for about a year about upgrading to an iMac because of the fact that I'm doing more video recording and we're doing some photography now, and I want to make sure that I am getting the best quality. I can do all of the activities a lot faster. So this is my old laptop, my old best friend. I'm still keeping her because she's been with me for many years. So she's a 2011. So this is still going to be operational, but just not in the function it was before because it was starting to slow down, obviously because it's a 7-year-old computer. So we're going to go at that point to doing all the video editing on here from now on. I'm just so excited because I've been thinking about it for so long, and now I can finally actually say that I went and purchased this. And also I'm even more excited because at Best Buy today I did a little bit of price matching and saved $200 off. So that made me even happier that it was not just an expensive purchase that I didn't at least try to save a few bucks on. So got the best deal that I could. I went with the best upgrade that I could afford, so I'm really excited about it. All right, you guys, so here we go. Let me go ahead and give you a little bit of specs on this. So it's the 27-inch iMac with the 5K Retina display. It's the 3.8 gigahertz model. There's a few more details here, but it's all upside down, so it's a little hard to read right now. So I'm really excited. I want to go ahead and open it. So we're going to be pulling this tab here, hopefully without it falling out or doing something crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, here we go. I'm a little nervous. This is a really expensive purchase. Okay. Now to be able to get it out, and it's encased, which I guess is good. Okay, comes some spare cords. Okay. Okay, got a power outlet. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, that's just holding that. So scared, you guys. I don't want to drop it or anything. My cameraman is not on my handyman. Okay. Oh my god, this is heavy AF, you guys. Like, they're not even playing around. Okay, I don't even know how to get this off of here. Oh, it's so heavy and scary. Okay. It's literally too big. Okay. Okay. You guys, I'm so terrified of breaking it. Okay. So this is what we're working with here. Okay. I still can't see the specs yet, so I can't help you out with that yet. But she's beautiful. We just have to get her into the desk. Okay, guys, so life dilemma here. The shelf is in the way. FML. So I guess we're going to be moving that shelf up a little bit higher so that it actually fits. My old monitor was 27 inches too, but I think just this area is a little higher up, so the baby's thick, so we gotta work with it here a little bit. Again, we're back, so we got the shelf moved and now it fits under there. So we're gonna, let me turn this around here and then you can see what I'm doing. So, oh gosh, you guys, okay, take the plastic off of this. Okay, is it a lot of plastic or what are we doing here? Oh geez, looks like all underneath. Okay. Okay, we're back, you guys. So I had to have George help me with that because pulling that at the same time as lifting it was very scary and I don't want to drop it. So I am getting on with this here. Whee! So pretty. Okay, there's a lot more plastic. This looks like it's more manageable. I hate how they did that. It was under the stand. So the only way to get it is to lift and pull at the same time, and that's just too much when you're just don't have enough strength to do that. Okay. Whew. Alright, you guys, we're gonna put the power cord in. This looks almost too easy to set this up. I'm a little worried. Like, what is happening? Why is it so easy? Okay. Okay, going through here. Okay. And then I'm gonna throw this cord back behind my desk without whacking it to death. Oh, okay. Right there. Get. Okay. And really plugging it too. Alright, so guys, we're gonna push this in a little bit here. This looks more on my desk. Open it too. Let me do this first. Okay. Just want to make sure that's as far back as that goes. Okay. And then we'll get this keyboard unwrapped. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Feels so fresh. Okay. Alright. Let's get a little switch up here at the top. And then also a lightning port there too if you need to charge it. And the mouse here, let's see, power switch right here. I'm thinking that's a lightning switch there to charge too. I mean, I guess you wouldn't be able to use it when you're charging it, but it's there. Okay, and then let's see which, oh, here's the power switch right here. So let's turn that on. Or, okay. Alright, so it's already started here. Things are a little, like, I'm going to have to switch some of the preferences because I don't do things that way, but, so it's a little hard to get used to for me initially, just because I scroll different directions. So just picking English first, so pretty simple on that. Okay. Alright, so back again here. So I just got it loaded up. I had to get some like login stuff done, so I didn't want to show that, but now that I'm in, this running Mac, it's a 3.8 gigahertz model with 8 gigs of memory, and I'll have to erase the serial number off there, but that's okay. And oh, it has 2 terabytes in here. I didn't show that. Where's that at? Oh, of storage. So it's got 2 terabytes of storage here. So we got that model just because of the fact that we don't want to have to buy another computer for a while. So pretty excited. It's a big upgrade compared to what we had, because ours is like 2 gigahertz right now, and of course it's like the 2011 model. It's still running the newest software, but still it's running really slow because it's not really meant to do that. It wasn't meant to have 15 upgrades. So that's kind of what's going on with that. So this is us, and then okay, oh, and then next, it also comes with this lightning cord here, and then I think I may have mentioned that earlier, and that's just to charge the keyboard and the mouse since they're wireless. And then it also comes with something here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like a cloth here for wiping the monitor. Of course, it comes with the Apple sticker, just like everything they have. And okay, and then it's just like a quick welcome there about how to get started with this, and that's pretty simple considering the fact that we've done this before, you know, on other stuff. So it does have an SD memory slot, which is going to be pretty important here. That's going to be on the back. We've got 4 USB ports, and we've got 2 lightning ports, and then we've got an Ethernet port as well as a headphone jack. And then the power button's just right on this side here. So pretty simple setup, just plugging it in and then going through the prompts. So everything so far is working great. I'm really excited, especially considering how much faster it's going to be able to get videos uploaded, as well as actually be able to get them edited. Right now it's taking me quite a long time to get that done, so I'm pretty excited about just having that run a lot smoother. Also, my husband is doing trying to start a photography business, so it would be nice for him to be able to come in here and do the photography and be able to edit the pictures like on a nice big clean nice screen, and it to move really smoothly compared to doing it on an older computer. So just wanted to give you guys an unboxing of that, and hope you found that interesting, and thank you for watching.